just heading to the liquor store, and on my way back, like, you know, you totally like forgotten the combination, like it's not working, eh? Sometimes there's problems in life that like a person can't solve, but a beer can. From the shotgun hole, start cutting. Old locky, eh? Like a 1/2 inch, middle of the E. That's 2. Now you're gonna want to fold these up. And you just slide her down. This outside point here. So this is where you turn her around. That looks pretty good. That just broke off. That shims in pretty good. So I think I've done her, eh? Pull down. Check that. We got in. No problem, eh? Totally.